Our first case study is located near the American University of Kurdistan. While we went there to analyze the problem of our first case study, we saw that there were many issues. For instance, the site cuts immediately, there were many of ignored parts, and it was very hard to use the space for walking. The surrounding areas of underbridge here in Duhok city, they're all polluted because they are neglected. There are a lot of exposed wires, the connections to the box all over the place, loss of voltage just exposed for anyone to touch. Our second case study located on the way to Zawas Mountain. Again, we faced the same problems. It was very hard to use it as a walkway. There were a lot of ignored parts. Rainwater coming through and draining the exterior of the concrete. It also potentially dangerous to the exposed wires. Our last case study was located on Barzan's Road. We choose this bridge because it has the solution suggested for the other two bridges. The wires neatly connected to the box, safely locked, everything there were arranged, nothing exposed to the rainwater. The main cause dangers for the surrounding. The sidewalks are very wide, enough for people to walk on, not cut off at any point.
An international example of underbridges is in Mexico City. Mexico City has a project that is called Via Verde or Greenways. This project aims to transform hundreds of pillars that are supporting bridges into vertical gardens to reduce pollution while improving the cityscape. The garden walls are made of metal frames and cloth that are placed on top of pillars to avoid damage to the concrete structures. The walls are made like little pockets to hold the plants that will later outgrow and create the green facade. Each column has a watering system that works together with the rainwater. This project aims to lift the city with 40 meters of greenery.
Another international example of underbridges is Underpass Park in Canada. The project employs light combat the hard and heavy structure of the overpass. Color-lit columns and ribbon walls blend the functional needs of safety barriers and nighttime security with artistic expression. Thus, a combination of art and light transformed this forbidden space into an active communal park.
Final international example is in Oslo, Norway. The project is redesigning an underbridge to be a functional space. The bridge that was redesigned was very dark and a neglected space. What they designed here was that they designed a climbing wall for the people to enjoy and also monkey bars instead of it being wasted space. For light, they used an illuminating line that goes through the bridge that represents the history of the city. Here is a before and after shot of the redesigned bridge.